It's pretty evident that the goal of this Chevy's build was to create one of the coolest cruisers on the road, and judging by initial reaction, that mission was certainly accomplished. Sealed in black 2-stage, this slick 57 Bel Air is a jaw-dropper thanks to an extensive ground-up restoration. The pros who massaged the timeless body paid plenty of attention to the fundamentals, but their primary focus was creating the best surfacing possible, with impressive fit and finish. Pop the doors and you'll find a custom LED lit interior. A quartet of chrome-piped buckets face a layered dash that frames classic instruments gauges above hardware for modern climate control. And a custom full-length console centers a short Lokar shifter between stainless cup holders and touchscreen audio. Lift the hood to reveal a 505 horsepower LS7 V8 that is cradled in an Art Morrison chassis and is bolted to a 4-speed auto that spins a Ford 9-inch. Wrapped in a detailed frame-off restoration that would probably take a second mortgage to duplicate, this Chevy rolls on the right side of impressive. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.